Hello. This is a quick demonstration on what can be done when there is a requirement wherein the tax information are to be shown together with the original maybe expense account that is tagged to that um, tax tax line and the GL account tag on the tax detail as well. So, for example, if you have the purchase order or an AP purchase invoice in this case. So you have your line item in here, which is, or the line account, which is miscellaneous expense, where the other one is other expense. And you would like to capture the tax implication for this. But more importantly, you should be able to get the original expense account that is tagged to that transaction line, a tax amount, in here and the GL account that is tagged on the tax details. Remember, you can only see the tax detail in here, but the tax account is associated in the tax detail. So we will try to capture those information. And yep, just like this one here, we have G11. The tax account is 2615 in this case, while for this tax detail, G14, I've used 2610. All right. So the good thing with this one is that we have the object, which is the tax record. All right. So if you go to this a custom report, if you create a custom report, then you have the, if you go to select data source, so the primary source data source is called the tax record. And if you go to the second step, which is the column section, if you scroll further down, we have this too, which is the source journal entry. So source journal entry will enable you to get the original, expense account in our example earlier. So we're expecting like miscellaneous expense or other expense there. That's the source journal entry section, and you can have other relevant information as well to be displayed there. But in this demonstration, we just would like to see the GL account. So it's either from here, and there's also a related record under source journal entry called the GL account, specific GL account, so you can get the account number. And while for the other one, we have another related object called the tax journal entry. So we have, aside from the source journal entry, which gives you the original expense account, you also have the tax journal entry, which will give us the GL account information related to the tax implication of the transaction. So similar fields that you can display, you can have account, um, account title or the name of the account, and account number. Okay, so let's run this report. So I've created this report, and I have this specific transaction dated uh, 21st of March, and I'll just select that one specifically, and I click on View. There you go. So firstly, is that your G11, right? G11 that's been used for the first line, and we're using 7400 miscellaneous expense. And you will see here 7400, and I just duplicated the one just for our reference, and the miscellaneous expense there, right? Great. And the other one here is that for G11, we have G11, which is 2615. Yep, 2615. We have GST paid, right? That's the GL account and GL account 9. So yep, so we can see those information. While for the other line, we have 7011. 7011 is here, which is other expense, as what we can see. And with the G14, that has been tagged to 2610 accrued GST. And we are seeing that here, 2610 accrued GST. So yep, hopefully this demonstration helps. And this just gives us the a functionality, which is a good thing, instead of creating like multiple, reports just to get the GL accounts tagged to the tax detail used in the transaction, as well as the original expense account, meaning the expense account that has been used on the line level. So we can just show them in one report, just like this one here, using the tax record, because the tax record is sourced from two related objects. So firstly is the source journal entry, which is the original expense account, while the other one is the tax journal entry, which will give us information about the tax GL account. So hopefully this helps. Thank you.